Information about Carpinus betulus. Carpinus betulus, commonly known as European hornbeam, is a deciduous tree that is native to Central, Eastern, and Southern Europe, as well as parts of Asia. It belongs to the family Betulaceae, which includes birches, alders, and hazels. The tree can reach heights of up to 25 to 30 meters, 80 to 100 feet, tall, with a trunk diameter of up to 1 meter, 3 feet, in diameter. The bark of the tree is smooth and gray, with horizontal stripes that become more prominent as the tree ages. The leaves of Carpinus betulus are oval-shaped and have a serrated edge. They typically grow to be 5 to 10 centimeters, 2 to 4 inches, long, and turn a yellow-orange color in the fall. The tree produces small, inconspicuous flowers in the spring, which are followed by nut-like fruits that are enclosed in a leafy bract. European hornbeam is a popular tree for use in landscaping, as it is tolerant of a wide range of soil types and can grow in sun or shade. It is often used as a hedge or screen plant, as well as for topiary and bonsai. In addition to its ornamental uses, Carpinus betulus has also been used for a variety of other purposes throughout history. The wood of the tree is hard and dense, and has been used for furniture, flooring, and tool handles. The bark has been used for tanning leather, and the leaves have been used in herbal medicine as a diuretic and to treat kidney stones.